Hey there, Year 12s. In this example here, we're now looking for the shortest path from one vertex to another. So each and every one of these dots right here, we can say these are the vertex. And so these are the vertices that we want to find from Bartow to Kenton in a way that is the shortest path. Now what you remember is that each edge has a value attached to it. So you can see that these values are called the weights of the path, and each weight can indicate, say, time. So it could be like 12 minutes. The other one takes 7 minutes to go from Bartow to Strathmore. 20, 6, 8. They could represent distance or time or anything else. So we call them weights because it gives you an idea which one is likely to give you what they call the shortest path. So let's imagine that they represent distance. Then the shortest path I'm trying to figure out from Bartow to Kenton, we're going to do in example 8 more of a trial and error method. And later there'll be an exercise or a skill called Dijkstra's algorithm, and that is somewhat more organized. It still feels somewhat trial and error, but it will feel more organized, and there are two types of methods there. So this one, we're simply just going to trial and error. So here we go. If I were to find the shortest distance by instincts, I wouldn't go Bartow to Crowthorne because it's 12 distance, whilst this is 7 to Strathmore. I mean, I could test it later, but 7 looks like the smallest value that I can have a go. And then from here, I'm like, well, I can go to Osborne, which is 9, or I can try Melville and go 8, because 8 is smaller than 9. So that currently gives me BSM. So I've got BSM, and that's currently 7 plus 8. Yeah, that's so far, that's it. And then Melville to get to Kenton, that will be plus 13. So then 7 plus 8 plus 13. And that finishes off BSMK. Alright, so that gives me a total of 7 plus 13 is 20. 20 plus 8 is a total of 28 distance. So not bad. Then I'll have a look at another alternative. I say, well, what if I didn't go through 8 and then I tried Strathmore to Osborne? You can see here it's 7, 9. So though it took a longer distance, but notice it is also shorter than Melville to Kenton. Osborne to Kenton is only 11. So here I would now have 7 plus 9 plus, I should probably move this more like this actually. Okay. 7, 9 plus 11, so that's 20. That's now 27, so it actually is a bit shorter. So from BS, okay. All right, and then I may look around and go, well, I wonder if there is a shorter way, potentially, because you can see that there's that 5. So let's say I chose to do Melville down to Osborne. So that's what, 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20, and nah, that's 31. So no, it seems like the path that I've chosen is probably the shortest way to get there. I've got B, I tried this one as BSMO, then K, and that gave me a total of 31. 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 11, unfortunately. So there you go. So the shortest pathway must be then BSOK, which gives you a distance of 27, or a weight of 27.